Oracle Secure Backup, or OSB, organizes the backups it creates in a simple hierarchy. This hierarchy comprises the following logical concepts: backup image, volume, volume set, and media family. When you backup files using OSB, you generate a volume set that has some common characteristics defined by the media family that you have associated with your backup operation. OSB organizes the backups it creates in a simple hierarchy, which is composed of logical media concepts. Match each concept to its description. The backup of Oracle database, created by Recovery Manager or RMAN, results in an RMAN-specific logical structure that acts as a backup set. This structure contains at least one backup piece that is an RMAN-specific physical file containing the backed up data. OSB backs up and maintains backup metadata for each RMAN backup piece written to tape within its own catalog. You can browse backup pieces with the OBTool command line or the OSB web tool. If you manage the backup pieces stored on tape using OSB utilities instead of RMAN, the OSB catalog and the RMAN repository can become unsynchronized. The best practice is for backup pieces to be updated through RMAN and not manually by the use of OSB. Consider an overview of how RMAN and OSB work together. Data files are at the OS level. These data files are related to RMAN image copies and backup pieces, which are connected to OSB backup images. File system files, which of course do not have an RMAN equivalent, relate directly to OSB backup images. OSB backup images are stored as backup image sections on a volume, within a volume set, which belongs to a media family in a tape library. Media families provide a way to establish write periods and retention policies for data backed up to various kinds of tapes. Media families are used to classify and characterize backup types. They are commonly associated with backup levels, which generally correspond to retention times, such as full, incremental, and archive log. You can, for example, establish a media family for all of your backups that remain on-site, and a separate media family for your backups that are to be stored off-site. A media family is a classification of backup media that share the same volume identification sequence, write window, and expiration policy.